You've tried the Temu FREE Gift before and it didn't work for you. This might be why, because most methods only work for certain users, either new users or specific accounts. But there's a newer approach that's working more consistently right now. So in this video, I'll show you how the Temu FREE Gift system works and a method that can work for both new and existing users. Before we go further, the latest working Temu FREE Gift code is on screen right now. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes in case this one changes. Part 1. Why it doesn't work for everyone. Let's start here. Temu FREE Gift is not the same for every user. The system changes based on account type, entry behavior, current promotions. That's why some users see the free gift instantly, others don't see it at all, the real issue. Most people think it's not working for me, but the real problem is they're entering the system the wrong way for their account. Old methods versus new behavior. Older methods were simple: open Temu, apply code, wait for results. But now Temu focuses more on how you enter and interact. That's why old methods feel inconsistent. Part 2, the new method 2026. Here's what's working right now. Step 1, enter through the campaign. Before opening Temu, use the link in the description. This connects your account to the current promotion. Step 2, activate the session. Once the page opens, complete the activation step. Now your session is aligned with the system. Step 3, open Temu. After that, open the app. You should now see free gift event, reward interface, item selection. This works for both new and existing users when done correctly. Step 4, enter the code, apply the free gift code shown on screen. This links your account to the active campaign cycle. Step 5, follow the system flow. Now just follow what Temu shows. Offers, tasks, event steps. This is how progress unlocks. What to expect? Let's keep it honest. Works for different account types. System becomes visible when entered correctly. Rewards are possible. Not always instant completion. Some users may need to retry once. Results can vary. Final takeaway. If the Temu FREE Gift didn't work for you before, it wasn't just bad luck, it was the method. Use the updated approach, enter the system correctly, and it starts working the way it's supposed to. Try this method and comment what happened. Did it finally work on your account?